Good morning, everyone. Once again, I am here with another video. This time, I have got a collection of 9 most useful websites for students. These websites are containing various informations regarding the courses available, the study material, the curriculum, as well as the material for the competitive examination purpose. And I have also got the sites which have information regarding studying abroad, scholarships, and certificate or diploma courses, short-term courses, long-term courses, and I have also got information regarding your career planning, whichever career you want to pursue, and whether you are planning rightly or not. If you are planning rightly, what needs to be added to your practices in your planning. So let's begin. The very first website is Byju's.com. This is specially for the curriculum based studies, and starting from the junior most grade, class 4th, till all competitive exams. This provides videos and various curriculum based materials. The next is khanacademy.com.org. This website is also very popular website. You must be knowing about it. You must have heard some from your colleagues, your classmates or your teachers. Khan Academy is very popular, and you can view video classes on this website. There are many tutorials available, and this is a very helpful website for all of us, for learners, for teachers, or parents. Another one is Merit Nation. This is a very popular and very useful website, meritnation.com. This is also based on school education. So, videos and live classes you can watch on this website, Merit Nation. Another very useful website, especially for computer programming lovers. This is w3schools.com. This website provides you tutorials for all programming and related works like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and many works. So all those guys who are planning to pursue a career in computer science or related fields must visit this website. Another website is edX. This is edx.org. This is also a very useful website. It provides information regarding, this is basically, it provides information on all kinds of what we say all domains of education, and this is oriented internationally, and therefore you must visit it. Another is indiaeducation.net. This is again a very useful website to find out right colleges for you, find out a career, and which course you really want to pursue, and the examinations, the competitive examination purposes. This website is very useful. You can plan your for future studies. You can plan your higher education in some other country. So if you are looking for scholarships, you must visit this website. Another website, very important website, very popular, this is minglebox.com. Minglebox is also one website which provides you the information regarding education from all over the world. You can get education on higher education, your graduation and higher education, and for competitive examinations and worldwide scholarships. So please do visit this website as well. Another website is siksha.com. This is Indian website which provides you the ranking wise, and there are so many like if you are seeking admission in MBA, so which college or which university you should choose, the rankings of these institutions, everything is available on this website, siksha.com. Very important website. And this is the Very popular, you must have heard. This website belongs to Dainik Jagran, a very popular daily newspaper, Hindi newspaper, and this is published by Dainik Jagran and jagranjosh.com. Jagranjosh.com is also a very good website. It provides you information regarding the current affairs, competitive examination preparation purpose, or for any educational purpose. You must go to this website. You can find out the deadlines for various upcoming examinations, and you can see, you can find quizzes, you can find uh, which career you want to opt. If you are not you don't have a sound planning for your career, or you are confused, you must visit this website. You will definitely get some direction for our decision making, right decision making. So this is the time when you have got sufficient time, and please do visit this website. This is all about the top 9 educational and career planning websites. I'll be back with some more videos. See you then. Bye bye. Thank you.